Giving a new room to your favorite plant is always scary. Lots of confusion whether it will survive or it will die. We are very much aware of the fact that we have to report our plants time to time for its overall growth, and you can't avoid it. So here are some tips and with a short demonstration of how to report a plant successfully. Let's have some basic knowledge how to know when a plant is ready for reporting. When roots are overcrowded like this, tightly root bounded, when plant is overgrown compared to the size of the pot, when plants needs frequent watering than usual, as the soil dries out quickly, when there is no sign of any growth except some slow growth plants like succulents and other house plants, when you want to rejuvenate your old plants to have a fresh start again, and you want to give a new boost to your new members, means to those plants you bought them recently from nursery. You want to repot in a larger pot, or you want to repot your plant in the same pot with fresh potting soil mix. Take a pot, check the drainage hole. The size of the hole should be same with the thickness of your thumb finger. Now cover the hole with this piece. It prevents the soil from coming out. Add some sand over this. It allows the water getting away through the drainage hole and helps in air circulation. Then add 2-3 inch of fresh soil. It helps to give a base to your plant's roots to grow. First you have to water them thoroughly at least one day before. Now hold the plant in between your fingers like this and turn the pot to one side. Gently tap this way or give tugs on the base of the plant. Now it will slip away smoothly. Don't pull the plant directly from the pot. Now loosen the roots gently. Remove 1/3 of soil around the plant. Now you may prune some thread-like roots, but not thick, strong roots. Never disturb the root ball. This is the root ball if the plant is big enough. Now set the plant in the center of the pot. Add more fresh potting soil mix till all the roots are covered. Now pack the soil down to remove any air pockets. Generally, air pockets leads to root rot. Make sure the pot is not overpacked with the soil. There should be 2-inch gap between the rim of the pot and the top layer of the soil. Now water them immediately. Keep them in a cooler place for few days. From the next day, you don't have to water them for at least 4 to 5 days. Don't fertilize them at least for 2 months. The plant will seem wilting, some leaves will fall, but it is normal. Remember, the right season for repot your old plants is the spring season. Early spring is the best period for repotting any plant. Fast growing plants needs repotting every 6 months. Other big permanent plants may need repotting every 1 or 2 years. Always repot your plant to a pot at least 2 inches bigger in size than the previous one. If you want to repot your plant in the same pot, so prune the roots to 1/3, not thick or healthy or any primary root of the plants. When you repot your big plants, try not to disturb the root ball of the plant. If you do repotting for the first time, always prefer a clay pot. Follow all these. I'm sure you won't be hesitate to do it again and again.